Hello, John. I'm doing this small video. That way I think I can explain you better than instead of writing to you, okay? I'm going to start, okay? First thing I do is go to New. From here, I capture image. Begin scanning. Once it's finished scanning, I'll select OK. Then draw regions. Insert OMR. At this point, I'll select the areas which I want to insert to the image. Once I do that, that's what I receive right here. It's incomplete. I can hardly see it. It's like, I don't know how to say that, right? But you can see it. Once I select any part, like this block right here, this multiple, when I select that, it'll throw me out. That's the problem I'm having with all three machines with 9. When I used to have the 8, I didn't have that problem. I hope you can help me in this one. Okay? Thank you.